Every paycheck builds wealth, every single one. Question is whose? Because every dollar you earn is building someone's future. Maybe your bank, maybe your mortgage lender, maybe your credit card company, or maybe it's building yours. Most people never ask that question, and that's why millions of hardworking people spend their entire lives earning money without ever becoming wealthy. Think about your last payday. For a few hours, your paycheck belonged to you. Then it started disappearing. Rent, mortgage, car payment, utilities, insurance, credit cards, groceries, subscriptions. Before long, it was gone. Sounds familiar? Here's what's interesting. Most people think that's how adulthood works. Work hard, get paid, pay bills. Repeat. Nobody ever tells you stop and ask, what is my paycheck actually doing? Well, here's what changed everything for me. I stopped asking, how much money do I make? I started asking, what does my paycheck becomes? Because those are two different questions. You can earn a great income and still never build wealth. You've probably seen it. Doctors living paycheck to paycheck, professional athletes going broke, lottery winners losing millions. At the same time, ordinary people, electricians, teachers, military families, and office workers quietly become millionaires. How? Because income does not determine your financial future. What your paycheck becomes does. Imagine two co-workers, same company, same position, same salary, same paycheck every other Friday. 25 years later, one has investment producing income every month. The other is still waiting for payday. What changed? Not intelligence, not luck, and not income. Their paycheck followed two different paths. One paycheck kept buying expenses, the other gradually bought ownership. That's the difference, not how much they earned, but what they built. In this video, I'm going to show you something that almost nobody talks about. It's a simple financial sequence that quietly determines whether your paycheck builds someone else's wealth or your own. Once you see it, you'll never look at payday the same way again. Because from this day forward, every time your paycheck hits your bank account, you're going to ask yourself one question. Who is this paycheck building today? Remember the question we started with? Every paycheck builds wealth. The question is, whose? Here's the answer. Every paycheck follows a path. Most people never notice it because it's automatic. Your paycheck arrives and immediately begins leaving. One payment after another. Mortgage, insurance, utilities, credit cards, groceries, and before you know it, your paycheck has finished its job. But here's the problem. It finished someone else's job before it started yours. Think about how most of us were taught to manage money. Work hard, get paid, pay your bills. If there's anything left, save it. If there's still something left, invest it. That sounds responsible. In fact, that's what most people do. What if the order is backwards? Not because paying your bills is wrong. You absolutely should pay your obligations. The problem is believing your financial life only begins after everyone else is paid. That's where the sequence quietly works against you. Imagine you're trying to fill a bucket with water. Before the water reaches your bucket, it flows through a series of open valves. Every valve takes some away. By the time the water reaches you, there's almost nothing left. Tell me, would you still keep pouring more water into the same system? Of course not. You would change the plumbing. Well, that's exactly what wealth builders do. They don't just increase the flow, they redesign where the flow goes first. This is the moment my thinking changed. I stopped asking, how can I earn more? And started asking, how can I keep more of what I earn working for me? Those are completely different questions. One chases income, the other builds ownership. And ownership is what creates freedom. Because ownership keeps paying you long after the work is finished. Now, don't misunderstand me. I'm not telling you to ignore your bills, and I'm not telling you to ignore paying off debt. In fact, if you have a high interest debt, eliminating it is one of the highest interest financial decisions you can make. But debt elimination is just the beginning, not the destination. The destination is ownership, because paying off debt stops the money from flowing out. Ownership creates money flowing in. Those are two completely different outcomes. So the next question becomes, if ownership is the destination, how does ordinary people actually build it? Do you need a six-figure income? Do you need to be an investing expert? Do you need to take huge risk? Not at all. In the next session, I'm going to show you a framework that completely changed the way I think about money. It's the framework I call the Metabolic Method. And once you understand it, you stop seeing your paycheck as something to spend and start seeing it as fuel to build wealth. By now, you've probably figured out something very important. The goal isn't even just to become debt-free. The real goal is to transform the money that once built someone else's wealth into money that builds yours. That's the entire idea behind Metabolic Millionaire. I help people metabolize debt into wealth. Think about it. Today, part of your paycheck is flowing toward interest payments, toward minimum payments, toward debt that keeps someone else getting rich. Now, imagine that debt is gone. Where does the money go next? Most people let it disappear into a bigger lifestyle, but wealth builders redirect it. The same dollars that once built the lender's wealth begin buying investments, asset, ownership, cash flow. That's what I mean by metabolizing debt into wealth. You are not just paying off debt. You are transforming trapped cash flow into long-term wealth. That's the shift. Not because your paycheck got bigger, but because your money started working for a different future. And here's the exciting part. This transformation doesn't happen someday. It begins with your very next paycheck. Every paycheck gives you the opportunity to decide, will this money build someone else's future or mine? Most people have a financial metabolism that looks like this. Paycheck, expenses, repeat. Every month, new income arrives and leaves as quickly as it came. Nothing compounds, nothing grows, nothing starts working on your behalf. Now, compare that to a wealth builder. Their paychecks still pay bills. They still buy groceries. They still have responsibilities. The difference is that every paycheck also purchases ownership. Ownership of investments, ownership of businesses, ownership of productive assets. Every paycheck leaves something behind that continues working long after the paycheck is gone. That's the difference. Not perfection, not a massive income, a different financial metabolism. Here's why this matters so much. Imagine planting a single tree. The first year, it doesn't look impressive, but over time, it grows. Eventually, it produces fruit. Then imagine planting another and another. One day, you're no longer planting trees. You are harvesting an orchard. Assets work the same way. The first investment may not change your life, neither will the second. But after years of consistently converting a part of every paycheck into ownership, something remarkable happens. Your assets begin producing income. That income buys more assets. Those assets produce more income. That's the power of compounding working for you instead of working against you. This is why I believe the goal is not simply to become debt free. Debt freedom is incredibly important. It stops unnecessary interest from draining your future. But stopping a leak isn't enough. You also have to fill the reservoir. Debt elimination protects your cash flow. Ownership multiplies your cash flow. Both matter, but only one creates long-term financial independence. That's why I want you to think differently this day forward. Don't ask, how much did I spend? Ask, what did I own after this paycheck? That one question changes almost every financial decision you'll make. Here's what I hope you remember years from now. Wealth builders don't think differently because they're wealthy. They became wealthy because they think differently. They don't see a paycheck as permission to spend money. They see it as an opportunity to build. Every payday becomes a choice. Consume today or strengthen tomorrow. And every time they choose ownership, their future becomes a little stronger. So, what does this usually look like in real life? How do you apply the framework if you're living paycheck to paycheck, trying to eliminate debt and still want to build wealth? That's exactly what we're going to do next. Because the next paycheck you receive could be the first paycheck that truly starts building your future. So, what should you do with your next paycheck? Not next year, not when you get a raise, not when you become debt free. Your next paycheck. Here's the first thing I want you to understand. You don't need a bigger check. You need a better system. Because systems create consistency, and consistency creates wealth. From now on, I want you to ask one question every payday. What will this paycheck build? Not what can I buy, not how much do I have left, but what will this paycheck build? Will it only pay today's bills, or will part of it strengthen tomorrow? That single question can change every financial decision you make. Here's where I'll start. Step 1, know your numbers. You can't improve what you won't measure. Know every debt, every interest rate, every monthly payment. Know exactly where your money is going. Step 2, attack high interest debt. Every dollar of high interest you eliminate is a guaranteed improvement to your cash flow. Debt freedom creates options. Step 3, as your cash flow improves, don't let lifestyle inflation steal it. Redirect their money toward ownership, investments, retirement accounts, a brokerage account, building a business, assets that can grow and produce future income. That habit matters more than the amount because habits compound. Most people have absolutely no idea how long it will take to become debt free. They don't know how much interest they'll pay. They don't know how much faster they could eliminate debt by making small changes. That's exactly why I created my debt-free calculator. It shows you your projected debt-free date, how much interest you're likely to pay, how much time you could save with extra payments, and the fastest path to eliminating your debt. It's completely free. Find a link in the description below. Because before you can redirect money, you need to understand exactly where it's going today. Let's go back to where we started. From this day forward, don't just pay off debt. Metabolize debt into wealth. Because every paycheck builds wealth. The question is, whose? For years, your paycheck may have built someone else's future. Your lenders, your credit card companies, your mortgage companies. But your next paycheck doesn't have to. Because now you know something most people never learn. It's not just how much you earn, it's what your paycheck becomes. So the next time payday arrives, don't just celebrate getting paid, decide what you're building. If this video changed the way you think about money, subscribe to more strategies for eliminating debt, increasing cash flow, and building lasting wealth. And before you leave, find your debt-free date. Build your plan. Then start making every paycheck build your future. I'll see you in the next video.